Hello and welcome to my channel. And today class we will learn how to write our first HTML code and how to run this page. In introduction class you also know the function and the tags of HTML and HTML tags and its function, how it work. And today class we will discuss and we will learn how to write first HTML code. For this purpose, you just open your notepad or some editor which you install in your PC and machine. And the beginning, just write lesser than sign. After that, sign up continuous document type HTML and greater than sign. After this step, write HTML tag. After HTML tag, just write head tag, and next step is that write the title tag and give a name to your web page. Just I write here my first web page, and just I rename this my first HTML page. Okay, just I write there and close the title. After that I close the head, and after that I just write body, what message I want to display on the web page. So I write body. I used H1 and we will discuss about this tag in next classes, and write hello world and close the H1 tag. After that P for use for the paragraph and write welcome to my first web page, and then full stop and close the paragraph tag. After this body closed, HTML close, and you will see I just click on file and save as my file. First I give this name first dot html. Okay, and save on desktop. The file is saved, and you can minimize all my. You can see this when I run it. You will see. So look at this. Hello world, welcome to my first web page. Okay. Now we are writing another code. So how it run? So I already written for you. Just I select now, Control C and Control V paste. Now I save this file, and you will see run. Hello world, and this is the full page, and this code you will see. I write document type HTML, head, title, head, clause, body, hello world, welcome to my first page, and give a link to Google, and then a picture, list atom 1, atom 2, atom 3, and URL close, body close, HTML close. So the page you will see here like this. Okay, so if you like my video, subscribe my channel, press the bell icon.